Hi my friends, I'm the Head Start cook in Hamilton, and I thought I would read We'd Like to Help Cook. We like to help cook all kinds of food, good for our bodies and good for our moods. We wash our hands and find a place, one that is stable and one that is safe. With a grown-up in charge, we can do, or just look. We'd like to help. We'd like to cook. We can help by washing foods like brown rice or white, running the grains under water. We watch until the water runs clear. We like to measure things. Whole grain pasta for the pot. We can try all shapes and sizes, bow ties, noodles, or spirals. We know how to mash avocados with tomatoes. When the lumps are all smooth, we have a dip for our celery, carrot sticks, or tortilla chips. We like to tear up lettuce or other leafy greens. Lots of different colors make our salad like a rainbow. Purple cabbage, yellow corn, and bright orange carrots. We like to mix oatmeal with water or milk. Sometimes we add in other favorite foods like raisins or nuts. We like to place things like slices of fruit to make a face on our plate. We can use apples, blueberries, bananas, grapes, and pears. We like to toss fresh salad and vegetables with healthy oils like sunflower or olive oil. It's fun to use big spoons or tongs. We like to shake up or blend. With low-fat milk or yogurt, we can help make a smoothie or milkshake. We like to crumble low-fat cheese on many foods like baked potatoes, whole grain crackers, or noodles. We like to rinse dried peas and beans, which are full of proteins. We have so many choices: black-eyed peas, pintos, garbanzo beans. We like to watch while grown-ups cook, grilling extra lean meat, fish, or skinless chicken. Sometimes we can guess what is cooking just from the sound and the smell. We like to work, help cook, and play. We like being active every day. Now that's the book, We'd Like to Help Cook. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you can help your mom or dad or grandma, grandpa, sister, brother in the kitchen and cook a healthy meal. I'm signing off, your Head Start cook, Wendy Reed.